Well, thank you for watching this video. This video is brought to you by newqbo.com. newqbo.com. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to record a deposit with credit card fees. It's deposit minus fees. That's the one it goes to your bank account. So you know what I'm talking about now, right? All right, I'll show you how to handle that in QuickBooks Online. Okay, so here's our home site. For this video, I'm going to use test drive, so you can also check it out and uh, try it. So I'm going to use the test drive in here. Here's our external link to QuickBooks Online. Test drive. Okay, and you can also sign up QuickBooks for 30-day free trial from USA and Canada and UK. So if you want to try it for 30 days, the demo file is just for one time. Once you close it, then you lose all the all your updates. So I'm going to use USA, and if you're from other countries, we have visitors from all over the world, of course. Canada, UK, Australia, India, and Singapore. You can try a demo file from there too. So I'm going to try this USA. It'll ask for some security verification number, 828559. Of course, this number will change every time you log in. Alright, so I'm on QuickBooks Online demo file. This is test drive file. And the first thing I do when I'm on demo file is basically I want to increase my on-screen you know sign me out in for active thing. So I'm going to change this to 3 hours, so that way I can test this file for 3 hours without logging me out. Alright, so that's done. Okay, so I'm going to do one thing in here. I want to see, I want to clear this to test this. Okay, so I'm gonna create, let's say, a couple of sales receipts. Okay, let's say the first customer, let's say the concrete one, let's say this is $100, and let's say for this example there's no tax. I'm gonna save this, and the deposit too, it goes to undeposited funds. The reason being, this is the credit card payment, and your merchant processor, they will do the processing at the end of the day, and they do batch clearing, and they do the batch deposit to your bank account. So let's say this is the first one, and let's say I do a couple more. I'll just copy this. Alright, so I'm gonna save a new. Okay, I'm gonna copy the other one. I'm gonna copy this. Alright, let's say another customer, same amount, save it. Okay, I'm gonna copy another one. Let's say I'm gonna just do 3, then you get an idea what I'm talking about here. So still MasterCard or Visa, whatever. Okay, so save it. So now you have a $300 deposit coming in, right? Alright, so of course they will charge you some merchant fee and deduct that, and the deposit some weird number. Okay, so what you need to do now, once the sales receipts are done, I already done 3. Let's say this is your batch deposit for 1 day, all 3 sales receipts, and it could be receive payment from your outstanding invoice too, but in this case, let's assuming all 3 sales receipts. These are all the merchant sales. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to bank deposit in here. So you got to do this manually. Bank deposit. Okay, now you will see these 3 sales, and if you click all those, total gross sales is $300, but let's say they deducted, let's say $7 for merchant fee and $293 went to your bank account, right? So what you need to do is in here, say minus $7 is your merchant fee, and the account you want to select is bank charges, or merchant charges. So in this case, I have only bank charges. So if you want, you can create uh, merchant services fee back in here, expense. Okay, so let's just say merchant fees or bank charge will do it. But if you want to see how much you're paying for the merchant fees, I think it's better to have a separate account number and keep the bank for like a monthly fees that you pay to your bank. So like this, and this one you can put it or just leave it blank, doesn't matter. So in here, as you can see here now, if you also check this, right, so it's $293, right? Okay, so let's say this is a vendor. If you want, you can put vendor name in here. Let's say AAA credit card processing. Sign it, so next time you'll have that. Okay, so this is all you got to do. Then save it, save and close, and make sure you selected the right bank account. It's very important. In this case, I have savings, checking. If you check the select the other bank account by default, then of course it's going to be wrong. So make sure the checking account is right, and the deposit date is always right. So deposit date. So make sure it's deposit date. So it could be slightly different than your processing date of your sales receipt. It could be +1 or +2, whatever. So this one, make sure it's your deposit date, bank posted date. That would be easy to reconcile your bank account. All right, I'm going to close this. So now, if you go to register, you should see that deposit. So checking, see right here, 293 as your deposit. And if you are connected to your bank account, then you can just match this. Then your job becomes very, very easy. So it's pretty easy, and visit our website. As I said, it's newqbo.com, newqbo.com. So we have all kinds of tips and latest updates, so you can check it out. You can learn a lot from our website. Thank you for watching. Bye.